Hi, welcome back to the channel. So this time I'm going to look at these parts which I've just got back from Hydrographics in York. They've been carbon fibre dipped and they look absolutely beautiful. Let me show you. So here they are. I sent all these off to be carbon fibre dipped because I thought I'd just make a nice little touch to the interior of the Porsche. So I've chosen these parts here, which are, if you've got the Porsche, you'll understand that is the passenger's inner sill side, and on the opposite side to that, obviously the driver's inner sill side. The switches go in there, which open the front and rear hatches. So that's why there's a gap in that one. I also got done the side of the window. It's a convertible, is mine. So that's the side alongside the glass, and also the driver's side, which is where the switches go to alter the mirrors. These are little insets that go into the actual door panel, and these go to the back of the door panel, and little insets again. And these here just go behind you, and it's where the seat belts come out. But they're absolutely beautiful. The quality, if you look, I mean, absolutely fantastic. Considering it's just a piece of plastic and they've sanded it down and then carbon fibre dipped it. Not sure if you can get that with the light. You can see the carbon fibre effect on that. And then obviously put a clear coat on top and then polish them all up. So even these little panels here, it's absolutely beautiful. But I'm really happy with these sills, these inner sills. Just a bit of dust on there, just needs cleaning. But yeah, these are absolutely beautiful. I think they're going to look great in the car. So let's go fit them back in the car. So unfortunately I've come out to the car and I found that the battery is completely dead. So that was a pain in the backside because I was hoping to get the roof down. As you probably remember, it's a convertible. So I was going to take my roof down, and that was going to make it much easier to work on the inside than it is with the roof up. So I'm going to have to do it with the roof up. But just for your information, if any of you guys, if you don't know, if you do get a flat battery on your car, then inside where your fuse box is, there is a little red part that you can pull out. And on that red part, it's got two pieces of metal each side, and you can then put a jump pack across that piece of metal and an earth, and then that allows you to switch the button, which will allow you to get the front bonnet up, which then allows you to get to the battery. Because without that, you're not going to do that. You're not going to get to it, and you won't be able to charge you up. So let me just show you in the car where that is now. So obviously on this vehicle, this is a UK vehicle. So if you go down to the floor area here, you have a panel which is already on the floor. So that's the panel there. Take that panel off and you can see these fuses behind it, and you'll see this red one which you pull out. And on that red one, as you can probably see, hopefully the light's okay, there's metal on each side of it. So you can just put a clamp across each side for positive for battery, and then what I used was the hinge here for the doors, the negative, and then that then allowed me to do the switch to open the front trunk so I could get into the battery. So that's just for information. Okay, first part fitted, so there we go. That's looking nice. Yes, I do like that. That is a lovely piece of carbon fibre dip in there. I was looking at getting this outer one done, but it's very, very well stuck on. I've watched some YouTube videos of removing these, and absolute pain in the backside to get them off, it looks like. And you kind of destroy that Carrera sign as well, because you have to peel that off the actual plastic. I'm thinking about it anyway. I might see if I can maybe get a couple from the scrapyard, then I could just work on those and get them done, and then replace mine with those. So it's just something to think about. So I'm going to have a look at now is the other parts, which are one of the parts was from the back of the door there, so I remember seeing that little part, and the other part was from there, and the third part was from there. So let me go get those and let's install those. Okay, so now let's do the door panels. So there's 3 pieces to do on here. So we'll start with this one piece here. Geez, that, look at that, lovely carbon fibre. But that simply just presses into this part here, like that. So, and we then have this part here, this is to go up here. So just covers up the back of the mirror. So that hooks on at the top and presses in at the bottom like that. And that is beautiful. And then we have one more piece which goes on the back of the door here, which is just that little piece there. And it again just presses in on the back of the door here like so. And that is absolutely beautiful. It just adds little accents to the door. So you just got a nice little bit of carbon fibre there, nice little bit of carbon fibre, not too much. And I think that's looking beautiful now. Well happy with those. Let's go do the driver's door. Okay, let's now do the driver's side. So again, same, the small piece just clips in to there. Lovely. We'll do the back end, small back end piece that just clips into the end of the door. Nice. And then a little bit slightly fiddly on this side because we've got the switch incorporated into this one now. So we just need to plug in the switch at the back. So this is the mirror control switch, which plugs in like so. And then we just need to wind that up inside the wire. And then again, it's push it on the end as far as it'll go, and then push it into the slots there. And that should be that. From this bit here is not. Oh, I don't want to pull it off again. There you go. This bit of plastic, it's just like a little bit of rubber. It's not very good to hold it on. I think it's actually broke off. So all I can do is push it down, then push it in like so. Oh, it's gone worse than before now. I think the wire's caught somewhere. That's quite a long bit of wire actually. It's pushing it off. So that needs to go there. Push it down. That's where it's going to go, and then push that in. That's it. Lovely. Okay, so that's gone on there nicely. So again, beautiful little bit of accents on there. So I'm well happy with those. So now we're going to try and fit the driver's inner sill. This one's a little bit tricky. I think I might be able to. You need an Allen key because there's a few bolts holding this on. I'm hoping that I can do this without having to take the seat out, which looking at it, I'm not sure if I can, because I need to get through some little holes to actually use the Allen key. And with the seat in place, the problem is now with no battery I can't move my seat. So the only option would be for me to take the seat out, which again is a bit of a pain because I can't put the roof down. It's much easier to get the seat out with the roof down than it is with it up. So I'm going to have to see what I'm going to do there. So let's trial fit it, and then I'll just see whether I need to get the seat out to tighten it up. So let's do that. Okay, so let's try and fit the inner door sill for the driver's side. So I've refitted the switch back in there. So again, it's going to line up with these and these into the relevant holes. And going over top of the rubber this time, as I now know. And oh, don't like that. Now then, where's it? Oh, there you go. It's one of the things where you've got to force it down, but I don't like forcing it down. Right, so now I need this, and there is a hole in the actual sill here, so I've put that in. That should go through and engage with that nut that was inside. To be honest, I'm not sure you need to tighten this nut up. I got it anyway, so let's just do this one. So I might just leave the one near the chair loose, to be honest, because I think with one of these on, here we go, it's tightening. It's just gripping on the actual plastic. So that's got that. So I was going to look at, can I get the Allen key in here? No, I don't think I can. If I force it in, I might not get it out again. So no, I'm not going to bother with that one there, because to be honest, that's not going anywhere like it is like that. So that's that in there, which is absolutely fantastic again. So yeah, well pleased with that, and that's looking very nice. Don't know how much I'm going to scratch it with my feet getting in and out the car. I'm going to try and I'm going to have to try and be a bit steady. I don't know what that is. That looks like some alloy type rust. I might need to give that a good clean, get all that off because it don't look too good. Looks like it's coming off. So okay, yeah, so that's great. So I'm well happy with that. So that's all the carbon fibre parts fitted back into my car, and really that's the end of this video. That's what I just wanted to show you. It does make a difference, it does look good, and it's certainly worth doing. Yeah, so there you go guys, that's it, and it certainly makes a difference, that door now. I love the look of that. Great, them little carbon fibre accents on, certainly worth doing. Special thanks to Hydrographics at Yorkshire, just outside of York, Castor Malbis. Fantastic, great bunch of guys, great place, check it out. Probably get a good deal there because I certainly got a good deal on this. I got 10 parts done, cost me about £250 to get those done, which there's quite a bit of work because the Porsche plastics on the older Porsches, if you look at it, it kind of gets this film on the top and it's very hard to do anything with it. Even when I was cleaning it and trying to make it clean, you could see this film, you could run your nail down, you could still see that there was some rubber film on there. So it needed a bit of work on it, and the guys at the hydro dipping place said they had to do quite a bit of work to sand all of that down to get rid of that horrible film, to then base coat it, to then actually dip it and then do the clear coat on top. Certainly worth doing. I think it makes a fantastic difference to the car. I love it now. So I'm looking for other things. So I may look at getting the mirrors done because they do them as well. Mirrors come off dead easy. It's 3 nuts, just 3 bolts. So just take them off and you could whip them in and probably get them dipped. Don't know yet. Let's see. But at the moment, that's it for now. So until the next video, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you. Catch you in the next one.